Hello and welcome to EngliPod. This is the podcast for learners. We help you speak English with confidence. My name is Swara. I am your host today. I am very happy you are here. Are you ready to learn English? Are you ready to practice speaking? You are in the right place. This is a safe place to learn. You can relax and enjoy the lesson. Let us learn English through slow conversations. Today, I will speak very slowly. I will speak very clearly. I do this for a special reason. I want you to understand every word. I want you to feel relaxed. Learning English should not be hard. It should be fun and easy. When I speak slowly, you can listen. You can hear the sounds perfectly. Then you can repeat after me. Repeating helps you speak much better. You will practice your pronunciation today. Today we have an amazing topic. We will talk about a big secret. You do not need many words. You can speak English with just 951 words. Yes, you heard me correctly. Only 951 words. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need difficult words. You do not need an expensive teacher. You do not need a long time. You only need the most useful words. Native speakers use these words every day. If you know them, you can speak. Today, I will show you how. Before we start, let us learn a technique. It is a helpful English learning method. It is called shadowing. Shadowing is very easy to do. First, you listen to my voice. Second, you repeat what I say. You copy my words. You copy my sound. You copy my speed. You act like my shadow. This trains your mouth to speak English. It trains your ears to hear English. It is the best way to learn fast. We will use this method today. Now, let us do an interactive practice. I will say a simple sentence. I want you to listen carefully. Then, I want you to say it out loud. Do not be shy. Speak loudly and clearly. Let us try our first sentence. Repeat after me. I want to speak English well. Now you repeat. Very good. Let us try another one. Repeat after me. Learning English is fun and easy. Now you repeat. Great job! You are doing very well. Repeat after me. I practice my English every day. Now you repeat. Excellent work. Let us continue. Repeat after me. I do not need difficult words. Now you repeat. Perfect. You are already speaking English beautifully. Now we will start the main lesson. I will give you 5 important tips. These tips will help you speak English. You will use only basic words. You will not worry about grammar. Listen carefully to each tip. Tip 1. Learn the most basic verbs. Verbs are action words. They are the most important words. You only need a few verbs. Words like get, go, have, and make. You can say many things with them. You do not need big action words. Simple action words are the best. Let us look at real-life examples. Let us look at the word have. Have is a very small word, but it is very powerful. Repeat after me. I have a good friend. Now you repeat. Repeat after me. I have a new job. Now you repeat. Repeat after me. I have a question for you. Now you repeat. See, you can use have for everything. Let us look at the word go. Repeat after me. I go to work early. Now you repeat. Repeat after me. I go to the store. Now you repeat. Repeat after me. I go to sleep late. Now you repeat. You only need simple verbs to communicate. Tip 2. Focus on everyday nouns. Nouns are the names of things. You do not need to know every noun. You only need words around you. Learn words for food. Learn words for your house. Learn words for your family. Learn words for your job. These are the 951 core words. They cover your daily life completely. Let us practice some everyday nouns. Repeat after me. My house is very small. Now you repeat. Repeat after me. The water is very cold. Now you repeat. Repeat after me. My phone is on the table. Now you repeat. Repeat after me. I like to eat apples. Now you repeat. Repeat after me. My family is very happy. Now repeat. You see, these are very common words. You use them every single day. You do not need complex medical words. You do not need complex science words. Just focus on your normal life. Tip 3. Use simple adjectives for feelings. Adjectives are words that describe things. You need to explain how you feel. You need to describe what you see. Again, keep it very simple. You only need words like good and bad. You need happy and sad. You need big and small. You need hot and cold. These simple words tell the whole story. You do not need fancy dictionary words. Let us practice some feeling words. Repeat after me. I am very happy today. Now you repeat. Repeat after me. The food is very good. Now you repeat. I am busy right now. Now you repeat. You are doing an amazing job. Your pronunciation is getting better. Your confidence is getting stronger. Always remember to breathe. Take a deep breath before you speak. Do not rush your words. Speaking slowly is very smart. It makes you look confident. It makes you sound very clear. Even native speakers like slow talkers. It is easier to have a conversation. I want to share a motivation section with you. Learning a language can feel hard sometimes. You might feel like you are slow. You might forget a word. You might feel shy or embarrassed. I am here to tell you something important. You are doing a great job. Every time you practice, you grow. Every small word is a big step. Do not compare yourself to others. Your journey is your own journey. You have everything you need right now. You have 951 powerful words. You have your own voice. You have the courage to try. Be proud of yourself today. I am very proud of you. Keep listening to slow English podcasts. Keep repeating the easy sentences. In a short time, you will speak perfectly. You will talk to people from everywhere. You will share your beautiful thoughts. Never give up on your English goals. Thank you so much for practicing today. I loved spending this time with you. You are a fantastic English learner. Please come back and practice again. Listen to this audio many times. Your brain will learn the words deeply. Thank you for listening to EngliPod. See you next time.